Inspiration Studios, where we delve into the fascinating world of home design and innovative architectural concepts. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of modern shipping container office design, a trend that's revolutionizing workspaces with its blend of sustainability, affordability, and undeniable style. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Modern shipping container office design refers to the repurposing of used shipping containers into functional and aesthetically pleasing office spaces. It's more than just a trend, it's a movement that embraces sustainability by giving these robust structures a second life. This design philosophy goes beyond simply placing a container on a plot of land. It involves meticulous planning, creative modifications, and a focus on integrating the container seamlessly into its environment. Modern container offices can range from small, single-unit workspaces to sprawling multi-container complexes, catering to diverse needs and business sizes. The modern aspect comes from the emphasis on clean lines, contemporary materials, and often, a minimalist aesthetic, creating spaces that are both functional and visually striking. The appeal of modern shipping container offices stems from a multitude of benefits. Firstly, sustainability is a major driver. Repurposing shipping containers reduces the demand for new building materials, minimizing the environmental impact. Secondly, cost-effectiveness is often a significant advantage. Compared to traditional construction, container offices can be more budget-friendly, especially for smaller businesses or startups. Thirdly, speed of construction is a huge plus. Modifying and setting up a container office is typically faster than building from scratch, allowing businesses to get up and running quickly. Fourthly, flexibility and modularity are inherent in the design. Containers can be easily modified, expanded, or relocated, offering adaptability as business needs evolve. Finally, the unique aesthetic of a container office adds a touch of industrial chic, creating a memorable and inspiring workspace. Creating a visually appealing container office requires careful consideration of several design elements. Start by defining your needs and workflow. How much space do you need? What kind of atmosphere do you want to create? Consider the location and climate. Proper insulation is crucial for temperature control, especially in extreme weather conditions. Think about natural light. Large windows and skylights can transform a container office into a bright and inviting space. Don't neglect the exterior. Landscaping, paint color, and even the placement of the container can significantly impact the overall aesthetic. Choose a cohesive color palette and select furniture and decor that complement the industrial character of the container while maintaining a modern feel. Achieving a luxury facade with a shipping container office involves strategic material choices and design elements. Consider cladding the exterior with materials like wood, metal, or even composite panels to create a sleek and sophisticated look. Large, expansive windows can add a touch of elegance and bring in ample natural light. Incorporate architectural details like overhangs, pergolas, or even green walls to enhance the visual appeal. Pay attention to the landscaping. A well-designed outdoor area can elevate the overall impression of luxury. Use high-quality materials for doors, windows, and other finishes. Don't forget about lighting. Strategically placed lighting can create a dramatic and luxurious ambience, especially in the evening. Here are 10 best inspiration for your modern shipping container office designs. 1. The minimalist box. A single container painted in a neutral color with large windows and minimal interior decor. 2. The stack sanctuary. Multiple containers stacked to create a multi-level office with a rooftop garden. 3. The industrial chic hub. Exposed steel, concrete floors, and vintage furniture create a raw yet stylish aesthetic. 4. The green oasis. Integrating plants and vertical gardens into the container design for a biophilic workspace. 5. The coastal retreat. A container office with a deck overlooking the ocean, perfect for creative inspiration. 6. The pop-up powerhouse. A mobile container office that can be easily transported to different locations. 7. The collaborative collective. a large multi-container complex designed for co-working and collaboration. 8. The rustic retreat. Wood cladding and natural materials create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 9. The modern farmhouse, combining the industrial aesthetic of the container with farmhouse-inspired elements. 10. The futuristic pod, a sleek and minimalist container office with cutting-edge technology and design. Modern shipping container offices offer a compelling alternative to traditional workspaces. They are not only sustainable and cost-effective but also offer a unique and inspiring environment for businesses of all sizes. With careful planning and design, a shipping container can be transformed into a stunning and functional office space that reflects your brand and fosters creativity. We hope this exploration of modern shipping container office design has sparked your imagination and inspired you to think outside the box, or rather, inside the box. We hope you found inspiration for your own dream home. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more insightful design tips and ideas. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best shipping container office design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Home's Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.